Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mix your preferred pasta with mayo, salt and pepper, add the tuna mix. Other options could be ketchup for non-spicy flavoring, or sriracha or Tabasco for a bit of a kick. Mix with rice, peas and a bit of cooked onion, add soy sauce to taste. I tried it with teriyaki sauce and the result was amazing.
Take our lead.
Use these, instead. Avocado, creamy and dense, like mayo. Smear on sandwiches, and save 77 calories, 9 grams fat, and 89 milligrams sodium per tablespoon. Hummus, nutty and fluffy. Thick, like mayo. Greek yogurt, tart and tangy like mayo, same texture, too. Pesto, oil-based, like mayo. Nut butter, an egg.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Raw tuna is generally safe when properly handled and frozen to eliminate parasites. Tuna is highly nutritious, but due to high mercury levels in certain species, it's best to eat raw tuna in moderation.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Tuna and most canned fish is cooked before it is canned. This means you could actually eat it straight from the can with no cooking if you so desired. Canned tuna is heavily cooked before canning.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pour some Worcestershire sauce on the tuna, then begin to cook. Cook to desired texture, then eat. To add some more flavor, you can throw a slice of cheese on this. When the tuna is done cooking, turn the burner off, put the cheese on, cover the pan with a lid, and let the cheese melt on the tuna.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Try using cottage cheese in place of mayo or Greek yogurt. If you're weirded out by the texture, whip it in the food processor before adding it to the tuna. Use a little salt, pepper, and sriracha for extra flavor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
5 ways to spice up a can of tuna. Sandwich wrap. Add white beans, cherry tomatoes, scallions and lemon. Antipasto salad. Add chickpeas, chopped veggies, capers and fresh herbs. Dinner salad. Add green beans, potatoes, eggs and olives. Quick dinner. Add tomatoes, pasta, garlic and parsley. Casserole. Add mushrooms, peas, pasta, creamy sauce and breadcrumbs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.